The following video will talk about cases that relate to one of the biggest issues in school, bullying. Bullying is one of the top concerns in schools because they can negatively affect both the students and the environment as a whole. As teachers, it is our duty to be aware of all levels of bullying. This is especially the case with cyberbullying, in which the video will use the following cases to explore on. In the first case I examined, twin brothers, who were both just months away from reaching 18 years in age, pleaded guilty to charges of cyberbullying and sexual exploitation. The victim was a 14-year-old girl who had been contacted by the twins over Facebook. She was tricked into providing a nude picture of herself to them, which in turn resulted in threats being made by the twins, who threatened to share the photo online unless she gave more photos of herself to them. In the next case that I examined, a 14-year-old identified as CNT in the official documents was caught having digital images of underage females on his smartphone, with the focus being the display of sexual organs. CNT had coaxed multiple women, including his girlfriend, into taking nude selfies of themselves. After being caught, CNT admitted that he shared the photos with other people, including an adult identified as Mr. M. The reason as to why I picked these cases was because they reflect on the fact that while the educational system is evolving, so too is bullying. While the internet and social media have been recognized as a source of growth for current students, bullies see this technology as a means of executing a new level of mean-spiritedness. It is because of this technology that bullies can act negatively towards a victim while hiding themselves behind a screen so that they do not see how hurtful their actions are nor the consequences that occur. With these cases, it is easy for the bullies to access private and sensitive material through the internet that can be used to hurt the victim. As teachers, it is important for us to understand the different levels of bullying, which includes cyberbullying. Under the Canadian Charter of Rights and Freedoms, one subsection under legal rights states that everyone has the right not to be subjected to any cruel and unusual treatment or punishment. This is a right that we, as educators, must ensure our students are aware of and help to uphold it both in and out of school. Cyberbullying and bullying as a whole is a negative treatment that we must address and resolve so that all students feel safe. In order to intervene and prevent cyberbullying, we should consider the following strategies that we can use. As teachers, we could create lessons that should be collaborated on with the school counselors as a means of teaching the students about bullying as well as making them aware of cyberbullying. Another strategy that we could use is making certain that the school's anti-bullying policies extend to the internet and social media, which we could update in the event that they are not. One other strategy, which involves the parents, is coordinating with them and other schools to establish a cyberbullying task force that can be used to monitor and report any signs of cyberbullying. Most importantly, teachers should ensure that the school environment is open and positive for the students. That way, students will feel safe and comfortable to report any form of bullying, including cyberbullying. Based on the cases that I examined, as well as identifying the necessary strategies to assist students, I feel that we, as educators, must ensure that we uphold the right that students have to not be subjected to any form of cruelty. By addressing cyberbullying and taking the necessary steps, we should be able to help victims overcome this negativity while making schools a more open, positive, and safe place. I hope that you found this video both enlightening and helpful for you as an educator, as bullying in any form is a threat that affects all, and it will take everyone cooperating to stop it.